I'm going to show you guys how to record a video within PowerPoint. You're going to be asked to make videos for this class, probably for several others, and it's a good skill to have. Screencast-O-Matic is great. I'm using it right now to record this, but there's an easier way if all you want to do is show some slides and talk over them. So here's my PowerPoint. I got a couple pictures, some slides. I'm going to go up to Slideshow, and I'm going to go to Record Slideshow. I'm going to go from the beginning. You'll notice at the top there's a record. If you wrote yourself some notes, you can put them here. I recommend making the font very big because it's not easy to read. If you hate it, here's how you delete it, and you have some settings that you can play with, what microphone and camera you want to use. At the bottom, that's your microphone, turn it on and off. You also have a camera. You could put your webcam on here to talk over your slides with people looking at you. So what you do is you click record. It's going to count you down. And then you're recording. You're recording your voice. As you go to the next slide, it will start the recording for that slide over again. You can see in the corner, there's 4 seconds on this slide, but 10 seconds total. You also have pens, should you want to draw something, write something down. You have that option. Alright, so we go through my slides. Yay, friends, Harry Potter. And then I'm done. It's saved. The reason I know it's saved is because there's these lovely little microphones at the bottom, and I can actually listen to what's recorded for each slide. When I want to save it, I go to Save As. And instead of saving it as a PowerPoint, although I can, and if you're going to edit it later, you definitely should, save it as an MPEG-4 or a Windows Media video so that you have options to just play it as and send it as a video. Hopefully that was helpful in making your videos where all you need to do is talk over slides. You don't need third-party software. It is built right into PowerPoint. Can't wait to see what you guys make.